Hello everyone, this is Frank, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you our processing aids. So for the PPA, it's a polymer processing aids based on fluorine content polymers. It's widely used in the films, pipes, balls, cable, and other plastic industry. So however, with the European PFAS restriction proposal, the use of the common fluorine-free polymer such as PTFE and PPDF will be restricted, which will affect the quality of the entire industry supply chain. So for this reason, Silike, we have developed the fluorine-free polymer processing aids to replace the traditional PPA. The additive is organo-modified polymer Masterbatch product, which can migrate to the processing equipment and have an effect during the processing by taking advantage of the excellent initial lubricating effect of the polymer and clarity of the modified group, so that its performance in the cable and wires and pipes and film extrusion is the same as that of the fluorine-based PPA. By adding our products with a very small dosage, can effectively improve the process melt flow and processability, lubricity, and surface property. So during the plastic extrusion, it also can reduce the torque, reduce the equipment wear, and the most important thing is to reduce and improve the cleaning cycle of the cylinder. As this product, it doesn't contain any fluorine elastomer, which is friendly to the environment. And we do believe that the fluorine-free PPA will be the trend in the processing industry. So in the next video, I'm going to introduce you our typical grade and some technical data. So if you get any question, please feel free to contact with us. See you guys next time.